again.
Hey guys, welcome back. So today is a video I am very excited to make. This is something I've wanted to do on the NA for a long time. I picked up a hardtop for it, and this is an OEM top. It was a screaming deal. John and I left in the middle of the night to go get it, as you do, and it worked out. It's a black top. Was kind of hoping for a red top, but you know what? A deal is a deal. And at least it's black and not some crazy special edition color. So it's gonna look great. I'm very excited. Let's jump into it. Okay, so this is the easier side to see. There's 3 bolts right here. It's gonna be a little more fun getting them on that side. I want you guys to be able to see how many ants there are in here. Yikes. Okay. Okay, hardtop's on. We've got the side strikers installed, and these were already installed. I literally just latched them. So, NA top, very easy to put on. So let's go take it outside, wash it, and take a look. Of course, it's a nice rainy day while doing all this, so everything is wet. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Sorry this wasn't an insanely long video. Installing an NA top is very easy. So that is all for this video. Peace out, and I will catch you guys in the next one.